Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, percentage. You have already studied this chapter in class 6 as well as in class 7th. Percentage means what? It is percent, means per 100, means out of 100. If we talk about 19 out of 100, means 19 upon 100, then it is equal to 19%. Clear? So we can say that we can draw a conclusion from this. I said 19 upon 100 is equal to 19% because it is 19 out of 100. This is the definition of percent. Out of 100 is known as percent. Clear? So we can draw a conclusion that percent sign is equivalent to 1 upon 100. You have already done these kind of questions that a fraction is given, okay, and you need to convert it into a percentage. Percentage is given, you need to convert into a fraction. Decimal number is given, you have to convert it into a percentage. Or a fraction is given, first you have to convert it into a decimal number and then you have to convert it to a percentage. Clear? So let us recap within two questions. Fine. We per 100 is percent and percent sign is equivalent to 1 upon 100 as we have already discussed. Exercise 7.1. If we talk about question number 1, okay, it says that percent, how to convert percent into a fraction. So basically we have to remove this percent sign, because percent sign is equal to 1 upon 100. So whenever we remove this percent sign, upon 100 will come there. 1 upon 100 will come there. So we have removed this. First of all, we have converted it into a fraction. It was given in a mixed number. So 5 upon 2. Now percent sign is removed. If percent sign will be removed, 100 will appear in denominator. Means 5 upon 2 into 1 upon 100, which becomes 5 upon 200. And later on we have got 1 upon 40. Clear? So we have to, if we have to remove percent sign, we have to divide by 100. Clear? Question number 2. A fraction is given and you need to convert it into a percentage. Clear? So to bring percentage sign, to introduce percentage sign, we have to multiply by 100, because you know that percent sign is 1 upon 100. So 100 and 100 has gone. It was 9 upon 20. It is remain 9 upon 20. 100 and percent signs are cancelling each other. Clear? So we have not written anything extra which can change the value of fraction. Clear? So in short, if you have to bring percent sign, you have to multiply by 100. One thing you have to notice, wherever you will multiply by 100, wherever you will write into 100, in the same step you will introduce percent sign. When you will solve it, you will get 45%. Clear? Question number 3, 4, 5 and 6. These kind of questions you have already done in your previous classes. Try them. In case if you have any confusion, any doubt, you can ask on the class group during the class. Clear? Question number 7. Okay, I am taking question number 7. It is 6 whole 1 upon 4% of 25 kg. Clear? How to calculate? They are saying find out the value of 6 whole 1 upon 4% of 25 kg. So first of all, we are going to convert it into a improper fraction. So we have got 25 upon 4. Percent sign will be removed. So we'll write 1 upon 100. Of is replaced by multiplication sign. 25 kg. 25 fours are 100. Then we have got 25 upon 16. As question was consisting of mixed number, so answer can also be given in a mixed number. So I have taken out 1 whole 9 upon 16 kg as the answer of this question. Clear? Moving on to the next question, where they are asking what percent is rupee 7.50 of rupee 6? So in these kind of two types will be given, what percent of and what percent is. Clear? If I shortcut says this, what percent is, whenever it is asking what percent is, it will be first number divided by second number into 100%. Clear? And when it will be what percent of, then second number divided by first number into 100%. But how will you come to know why it is like that? Okay. Here I am explaining why we write first number divided by second number. They are saying what percent. So let us consider x percent. Okay. So x percent, what percent is this of rupee 6? So you have to write the statement correctly. What percent of rupee 6 is means is equal to rupee 7.50. Clear? So if we remove percent sign, 100 will come in denominator, x upon 100 into rupee 6. So 6 will come in denominator if we transfer, and 100 was there in the denominator will come in numerator. This is the reason when the question is asked what percent is, then we write first number divided by second number into 100%. There is no need to write this first statement. You can directly write these two statements and you can find out the answer. Clear? But you need to be clear enough that if it is asked what percent is, then first number divided by second number into 100%. Clear? Moving on to the next question, question number 9. It was already discussed, just now I have discussed. Question says what percent of. Clear? So shortcut says that second number divided by first number means 4 upon 9 into 100%. Clear? But before that we need to see that both are given in the same quantity, like if one thing is in rupee, the other should also be in rupee. It should not be in paisa or something else. Clear? Both should be in same unit. So what percent of? I have considered x. X percent of rupee 9 is equal to 4. So x upon, we'll remove percent sign, 100 will come in denominator. So x upon 100 of means multiply. X upon 100 into 9. 9 will come this side, will come in denominator, and 100 was already there in denominator, will come in numerator. That is why we say second number divided by first number into 100%. Final answer will be 44.44%. Clear? Okay. Now it comes question number 10. 13.25% of a number is 159. We need to find out the number whose 13.25% is 159. So it will be easier if you consider that number as x. So I have taken that number, a number which we have to calculate as x. So 13.25% of x is 159. So 13.25% sign is removed. We have written divided by 100 upon 100. Of will be replaced by multiplication sign. X is equal to, is equal to 159. We need to transfer 100 over here. It was there in numerator, will go in, it was there in denominator, will go in numerator. 13.25 was there in numerator, will come in denominator. When you will solve it, you will get 1200. It means that number, required number will be 1200. Clear? And now there are two more type of questions. They will give a particular number and they'll ask you to increase given number by a certain percentage, or they'll ask you to decrease number by a certain percent. Means they will talk about two numbers, original number, or you can say older number, and new number. Clear? So question number 11 says that, 11 second part I have taken, that 60, a number they have taken 60. Number 60 has to be increased by 30%. We have a particular formula to solve these kind of question. Formula says that new number is equal to old number within bracket 1 plus x. X means how many percent it is increased. Here in this question 30%, it may vary according to the question. So x percent, x upon 100. Clear? And if they'll ask that number is decreased, then this plus sign will be removed by minus sign. These formulae are given in your book. Clear? So if we read the question once again, question number 11 says that find out the number 60. 60 is increased by 30%. Okay. What will you get after increasing 60 by 30%? So 60 is old number which is increased by 30%. We need to find out the new number. So old number is 60. 1 plus it is increased by 30%. So x will be replaced by 30% sign. Because of percent sign 100 is already there. Clear? 1 plus 30 upon 100, 0 is cancelled. If we will take LCM, 10 plus 3, 13. 13 upon 10. Clear? 0 is cancelled. We have got 78. Clear? That new number will be 78. If 60 is increased by 30%, then it becomes 78. Clear? One more question related to the same concept. Question number 12. They are saying that this time number is decreased. So decrease means we will use new number is equal to old number 1 minus x upon 100. Because it is decreased, so minus sign will be taken, will be used. Clear? In this question it is said that which number when it is decreased by 18% becomes 697. Means that particular number we don't know. A particular number is decreased by 18% and it becomes 697 after decreasing. It means in this case new number is given 697. Old number or original number we don't know. 1 minus 18%, 18 upon 100. When we will take LCM, 100 minus 18, that means 82. 82 upon 100. 100 will come in numerator, 82 will come in denominator. When you will solve it, you will get 850. Clear?